Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset an Xbox One. This is something I'd recommend doing if you're going to be selling it or giving it to another person. Basically, in today's video, what I'm going to be showing you how to do is completely wipe your Xbox, remove all the accounts, remove all the files, games, everything, and make it reset as if it's a brand new Xbox. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, turn your Xbox on, and we're going to be plugging in any controller that you have. What we're going to be doing is pressing the Xbox button on your controller to bring open the side menu navigation, and we're going to be going to the right to the very end until we get to the settings panel right here. Once this shows up, what we're going to be doing is clicking the second option, which is the settings, and we're going to be going into the Xbox settings. From here, we're going to be scrolling down until we see the system setting, which should be the third option on the left hand side. We're going to be going to the right and we're going to be clicking on the console info, which should be the first option. Once we get the console info opened up, we should have three different items here: the name of the Xbox, the reset console option, and allow enhanced error reporting. What we're going to be doing is clicking on the second option, reset console, which is going to give us a couple different options. So we have two options here to resetting our console. The first one is reset and keep my games and apps. So basically this just gives a format but keeps everything installed. It'll remove the accounts and preferences, but it'll keep all the games and apps installed. The second option that we have here, and the one that we're going to be choosing and what I'd recommend doing if you're giving it to a new person, is reset and remove everything. So what this is going to do is completely wipe all the files on your Xbox. It's going to completely remove all the accounts, settings, options, everything else, and we're going to be making the Xbox basically start as if it's brand new. Now, if you choose this option, you may get an error about needing to update your console. Sadly, this is something I had to do, and to remove everything and reset everything like I wanted, I had to do like a 3.5 gigabyte update, which was pretty crazy, just to be able to reset my console. I guess at least it adds a security feature, so you may have this option. If it says you need to be online to remove your Xbox associations, you may have to connect to an internet source to wipe your drive. Otherwise, you can try continuing without it, but it gave me some issues and it wouldn't really let me do it. So you kind of need to connect it if you're on an older firmware or an older version. But once you get past all of this, we're going to be clicking reset and remove everything. Now I will say there is no pop-up prompt after this. Once you click this, it will automatically start. There is no, are you sure you want to confirm? One click and you're pretty much done after this point. Everything is going to start resetting on the console. You'll see a small scroll wheel in progress, and then your console will start on and off a couple times. So what I've done is I've just speeded up the process. You can see my console restarting, rebooting a few times, and then it's just preparing the console until you get to this last screen where the Xbox will fly on. It's this nice smooth animation, and then you need to click A on your controller to get started, and then you go through the full setup process. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to wipe your Xbox One. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.